The Electric Pro X is the world's first portable electric water filter that filters water at the push of a button. Proven protection against any unwanted objects in your drinking water, it can be powered using any USB source such as a wall plug, a portable power bank, or with 2 AA batteries. The Pro X uses the same filters and can be interchanged with our #1 selling Survivor Filter Pro Pump. The first stage of filtration is the 0.1 micron pre-filter, which helps remove large particles, protozoa, and more. This part is placed directly in contact with the freshwater source and can be easily cleaned and backwashed up to 100,000 liters. Next is the carbon filter, which is designed to help improve the taste and odor of your water. The carbon filter also reduces heavy metals, chemicals, and pollutants and can be easily reused and replaced up to 2,000 liters. Finally, the third stage, water passes through the 0.01 micron internal ultrafilter. Independent tests have shown that the internal ultrafilter can also filter out 99.999% of tested virus, bacteria, and staph. The internal ultrafilter can also be cleaned and backwashed up to 100,000 liters. There are 3 ways to power on the Survivor Filter Pro X. The first is with 2 AA batteries, which can power the filter for up to 6 hours, equivalent to 95 gallons of water. Simply slide open the battery cover, insert the batteries, and close the cover. Make sure the cover is closed properly to ensure a water-resistant seal. The second way to power the Pro X is with an external battery or solar pack. Gently pull open the USB cover and connect the micro USB cable to the Pro X. The other end is connected to your power source. The third way to power your Pro X is by connecting it to any electrical outlet. The USB cube and cable are included with your electric Pro X. Connect the micro USB cable to the Pro X and plug in the other end to the wall. Once connected to a power source, you will need to prime the internal system with water before first use. If your Pro X has been in storage for more than 2 weeks, please also follow these steps to re-prime your system. Simply unscrew and remove the ultrafilter and carbon filter assembly. Then you can fill the chamber with clean water. You can then reinsert the ultrafilter and carbon filter assembly. You are now ready to use your Survivor Filter Pro X. To learn more about this product, troubleshooting, and tips, visit us at survivorfilter.com. Want to speak to an expert? Email support@survivorfilter.com or call us toll-free 1-888-602-6367.